Let's ride! I'm Jesse James Dupree and we are Rolling Daytona. So come on into the dealership and register to win this beautiful Harley-Davidson Street Glide motorcycle. 10 lucky qualifiers will each win a 3-day trip for two to the legendary Daytona Bike Week, where one of the qualifiers will ride off on this beautiful machine. It's 2025 and we are taking things to the next level. Everyone that registers to win Rolling Daytona is automatically registered to win a 5-night trip to European Bike Week in September as we're rolling Austria. Register to win today. There's many more prizes like a $5,000 gift card, wristbands to camp at the Full Throttle Saloon's Happy Oil Campgrounds, swag bags, and someone will win a Bertello Pizza Oven. So come on into the dealership, hit that QR code, register to win, increase your chances to win every time you visit the dealership by gaining keywords and checking in. Let's ride! We're Rolling Daytona. Pa-pow!